Hey guys, it's Carter from Nebraska Dairy Boys, and today we're going to be customizing this Ford F-350 for a friend. Got these saddle tanks and chrome semi-flaps. Let's get on it. So first, I think I'm going to put this tank right on the front. Like that. You can see that. That's what I'm trying to do. Or if I'm not doing that, I'll figure it out. Okay, now I'm going to glue these on. See that right there? I'm going to get this open. Just using super glue. That's all you need for it. Yeah, the last super glue is dried up, so I'm going to use this stuff right here. It's kind of like a rubbery, if you can see this. Chunks. Okay, I'm just going to put a strip. You can see that right there on the front, right there along that. There it is. The tank right there. Shoot. You can see there's the tank. I'll let that dry now. Put it down. I gotta prop this up somehow. Okay, so there it is. I'll be back in a little bit and let that dry. So I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, I've been letting this dry for about 35 minutes. I got it finished. Put it down. I'll show you here. So here's the finished product. I'll just show off what I got real quick. Okay, so right here, I got the fuel tank. By the way, this is a pulling truck for my friend. And it's just a F-350, it's a green. It looks lighter on camera, but it's a darker green. It's got a black two-tone. Don't mind that, it's my dad's phone. It's got blacked out wheels. Got these weights in the back. I just turned them into weights because I did do that. I did put them on the back, but they didn't look too good. I put them on a wire and then put them in one piece. So here's the tank. Looks pretty good. I think it turned out good. Probably gonna try and make another pulling truck like this. I'm hoping to make it look just like this. But if you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe. I'm almost at around 60 subscribers. And I just keep on growing bigger. So thanks guys for watching and see you later.